This is the Wyze Cam Floodlight. I'm a longtime user and fan to all Wyze cameras, but there was recently a burglary in our neighborhood, so I figured now would be the time to replace our conventional floodlight with this one, especially because it has sirens. It came neatly packed in a nice box with very easy to understand user manual. The floodlight has two 2600 lumen LEDs and one outdoor camera with color night vision. It is a hardwired camera, but that's okay because it comes with an installation kit that includes the screws, brackets, and other items you'll need to install it. All you really need to have yourself is a screwdriver. I started off by removing my current floodlight. To make sure you don't get electrocuted, turn off your circuit breaker before you touch anything. As you can see, mine was mounted front facing, so I'll install the Wyze Floodlight the same way. But just know you can also install it as an overhead mount. I connected black wires to black wires and white wires to white wires. It's super easy. There is a small hole in the middle right between the lights, and that's where you'll take the provided screw to secure it into the bracket. Once it's installed, it's time for setup. Now you can turn your circuit breaker back on. Right underneath the camera, there's a small button that says Setup. Make sure you have the Wyze app downloaded. It will walk you through the setup, which only took me a few minutes. The app is also where you can adjust settings such as brightness, the sirens, sensitivity of alerts, etc. Look how clear that camera is. Wyze cameras are just the best. Their quality and affordability are unmatched, and I love this camera.